Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to share a link to a file from your Google Drive so that you can use this method to turn in work, especially larger files like videos or large PDFs that you have created. It might be an easy way for you to share some of your work by turning it into your professor this way, or even share with classmates if you're working on a project together. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. You'll be able to see what I'm doing. All right, so right here you can see I have my Google Drive open, and let's say I have my file that I want to save to it from my computer. Let's say it's something big like a video file. I've already got mine in here, but if I wanted to, I can usually just drag it and drop it in there once I see it light up blue like that, and it'll make a copy of it. I can also go to new and I can upload it. Let's say I have it on a flash drive and I'm connecting it. I can upload it from there, but I want to get it on my Google Drive first. Once I've done that, I can click on it, and so it's highlighted in blue, and then I can come up here and I can click on this share button, and that's what I'm going to be going for, is the share button. Okay, and within that share button, when I click it, it gives me some options. If it doesn't pop up with this shareable link option, then I can select it up here. When I do, there are 3 choices here that I can pick from. I can share the link and anyone with the link can edit the file. I can share and let people comment on the file, or I can share and people will just be able to view the file. There are a lot of other options, but for right now, for your purposes in school, these are the 3 main ones you might want to use. So for example, if I am working with a partner on a project and we're both going to write in the same document, then I might click this one, because then they could go in and they could make changes. If I want someone to give me feedback on my paper, I might click this one and share the link, because then they could just add comments and I can go back and make some revisions. If I just want them to be able to view it, like I'm turning it into my professor, or I'm turning in a video of my teaching to my professor, then this is going to be fine. Once I get that, it's going to create this long URL here, and this is going to lead people directly to my drive where they can access that. This is not going to allow them to see everything in my drive, just the thing I'm giving them access to. So I'm going to click copy link, and I'm done. Now I have this link available. I can go in here to Blackboard and I can turn it in. So if I wanted to go into Blackboard and click here and write submission, instead of typing a paper, I can just paste a link to it. Okay, so I can paste it and my professor will be able to open that link. I could also, if I'm putting it in some other assignment, let's say I'm making a PowerPoint and I want my video to be in there, I can paste the link here and then people will be able to open it up this way. Okay, so that's 2 ways that you can use this link instead of trying to invite people. This is the way people often do it, is they go in here and they click here and put in the person's name, right? So you might put in my email and invite me to it. Problem with that a lot of times is that Blackboard and our Cal State email often don't really connect very well with Google, and there becomes problems where I can't access things. So it's much better to do this copy link and submit that. All right, hopefully that helps you out as you're trying to submit some of these larger files in Blackboard and share them with your professor and your classmates. Good luck. Please let me know if you need further assistance.